interactions. This is the most important and mostly asked question. So biotic interactions is majorly of six types. So let's understand what is mutualism. So in the word itself says mutualism is both will be benefited. So if there is some organism one or some species one, species A, species B. So if both the species gets benefited, then it is called mutualism. Example, pollination. So during pollination, both the plant will be getting benefited and the insect which will be transferring the pollen grains from one plant to other is also benefited. So both are benefited. Plant is benefited, insect is benefited. Next is competition. So due to competition, so it means so both will be losing. So both species A and species B will be losing. So let's say there is a, for example, a food is there. So let's understand. So a particular food is there. So species one is trying, so eating it, and species two is also eating it. But what species one will be getting food by two, and species two will be getting food by two, as both are sharing. But they both need food to survive. So complete food to survive, but they are getting only food by two, F by two, food by two. So it means they are not fulfilling their needs because of sharing these things. So common thing. So it is competition. Next, predation. So one gets benefited and other gets others will be eliminated. So it is negative for other things. So simply tiger hunting a deer. So tiger is plus, deer is minus. Simply neutralism. So neutralism is, as the word itself suggests, so zero zero. So there will be no positive or there will be no negative. So these are the four things which everyone can understand simply. So major confusion lies here, commensalism and amensalism. So what does commensalism means? So one organism gets benefited and other organism or other species will be neutral. And in amensalism, uh, one loses the thing and other is neutralized. So let's say in commensalism, cow dung, dung beetles example. So in cow dung, so dung beetles will be taking a shelter. So cow dung here is zero, it is affecting nothing. But dung beetles is getting positive because it is getting shelter. Similarly, in commensalism, a tree shades a plant. So tree is zero, so it has neither positive or negative effect. But while it shading a small plant, then it the sunlight is not reaching this plant because the tree shades the small plant, so it is negative. So these are majorly the six biotic interactions.